Hi, my haters, Julian here from JustDate.com, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, as soon as that summer sun hits, all you think about are cool, refreshing treats. And today, I've got something truly special for you, a dessert that's not just a treat, it's an experience. We're talking about Mango Halo Halo Sago. Let's hit the kitchen. Now, you might heard of Halo Halo, the iconic Filipino shaved ice dessert. And you might know Mango Sago, that creamy, dreamy Asian dessert. Well, we're combining the best of both worlds to create something truly magical for the summer season. It's got that delightful mix of textures, chewy sago, creamy mango, and icy coolness, all bursting with tropical flavor. And the secret ingredient to make it this absolute best summer treat, it's all thanks to Dole Mango Chunks in a blend of 100% juice. Seriously, these are a game changer and time saving also. You get that perfectly ripe sweet mango flavor without all the fuss of peeling and chopping. You know what I mean? Plus, we're packed with 100% juice here, making them an excellent source of vitamin C and a fantastic base for our dessert here. No sugar added, just pure delicious mango goodness. It's like sunshine in a can. So let's get into what you'll need for this incredible mango Halo Halo Sago. It's simply really surprisingly easy because Dole's Mango Chunks makes it just super easy to make. You need 1 can of Dole Mango Chunks, large tapioca pearls, which is sago, sweetened condensed milk, and then coconut milk. And I'm using ice that are the shape of little tiny circles, the little spheres, and Halo Halo mix that I picked up from the Filipino store. First things first, let's get our sago pearls cooked. Just follow the package directions. Usually it dissolves and it involves boiling them until they're translucent and chewy. And I'm going to be realistic here. I'm going to be real with you right now because mine took a while, like a long time, because while my pearls were boiling, the water eventually got really thick. Then I drained that and transferred to another hot boiling water and placed it in new water like 3 times, like literally rinsed the sago while like they're mid cooking because the water was getting really thick and it wasn't really cooking, it was just sopping. I don't know. Anyway, so as we're trying to figure out to do sago here, I suggest if you're picking up sago for the very first time and making this dessert, to pick up very, very small ones because those are like easier to boil than these large ones, okay? Let me just tell you right now, I'm just being real. And as you rinse them and boil them again, you keep practically letting them boil until they're really clear and chewy, translucent. Okay, they look like clear bobas, right? Anyway, after you rinse it off and put them aside, now for the mango magic. This is where Dole Magic Chunks really shine. We're going to dump the whole entire can of Dole Magic Chunks with the juice and everything, okay, from the can, along with something really sweet, which is the sweet condensed milk. And I only used 1 tablespoon or so. Look how vibrant that color is. Oh my goodness. And it's all easy. No mess mango peeling required. Right? Because it's all in the can. It's simple. Literally simple. Anyone can make this. Now, for the assembly, for the fun part, grab your summer party bowl. We'll start with a layer of the Halo Halo mix that includes coconut jelly, sweet red and white beans, jackfruit, then a generous spoon of sweet condensed milk, then our cooked sago pearls. Now, let's add some of that Dole Mango Chunks, the whole can and all. These intact chunks add an amazing burst of fresh mango flavor and texture. And that 100% juice is kind of what makes this whole summer treat just a cherry on the top. Okay, now pile on the ice. The more the merrier, because remember, it's for a hot day in the summertime. And voila, look at that masterpiece, y'all. Every spoon is full of symphony of flavors and textures. You've got the chewiness of sago, icy coolness, and creamy richness, and those perfectly burst of sweet, juicy mango from our Dole Mango Chunks. It's light, it's refreshing, and it's absolutely packed with flavor. It's such a easy summer treat. Anyone can make this, okay? It's truly the best summer treat. So, if you're looking for a dessert that will transport you to a tropical paradise, beat the heat, and is super easy to make, thanks to Dole Mango Chunks in a blend of 100% juice, then you have to try this Mango Halo Halo Sago. Let me know in the comments below if you love mangoes and what is your go-to mango summer treat. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more delicious recipes that are like easy to make like this one, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching and happy summer snacking. You know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.